Excitement and entertainment starts here at Cayton Bay Holiday Park. Looking for a fun-filled break with all the family? Or maybe you can't wait for some peace and quiet? Explorers and snorers, we welcome you all. Situated a stroll away from a gorgeous sandy beach and a short drive from Scarborough and the North York moors, you'll not be short of things to do and see. If it's looking for action and attractions on park, you're perfectly placed. There's plenty to keep the kids busy, with new for 2021 high ropes and bungee trampolines, as well as the all-new arts and crafts den. Everyone can revel in the flumes and fountains of the Waterworld indoor pool and compete on the multi-sports court and at Crazy Golf. Then you deserve a great meal at the Boathouse Bar and Restaurant, topped off at the ice cream station with big-name acts at the show bar to finish. Maybe you're seeking some adventure and to explore the outdoors. Seize the day trip and take the chance to explore some amazing places which are just on our doorstep here in spectacular Yorkshire. It is the perfect place to relax, unwind and have great family fun, whatever you choose to do. Caravanners, lodgers and campers alike, you'll feel at home at Cayton Bay Holiday Park. So what are you waiting for? Holiday like you mean it and book your trip to Cayton Bay Holiday Park today.